Usually the sun's not like directly shining in my window, so I look a little bit like crazy right now. Definitely not the greatest lighting that's ever happened to me, but hey, it's whatever. How's it going, fellas? My name is Nicole, and I make Dungeons & Dragons miniatures and other fantasy stuff. Last time I made a Night King this week because there's a lot of things happening this month. Honestly, I'm like super inspired and I want to make all these things. So today, I'm gonna make a Zombie Pikachu. So if you're here for it, I'm here for it. Also, by the way, I saw Detective Pikachu and it's really good. Like, it's really funny. I would say that the CGI Pokemon are like, they're like 40% cute, 40% really scary, and then the other 20% is like, I don't know, it's a mixture of disgusting and amazing, and it depends which one you're looking at. So tired, it's bright out. Hello, it's a new day. I finished the Pikachu. He's all painted and I can't wait to show you because he's actually really cute even though he's super kind of weird. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna show you. I hope you like him. This is my Zombie Pikachu. I liked making it. It was fun to make. So this is like aluminum foil with bees putty and Sculpey over top of it, painted with acrylics, just like normal stuff. But yeah, he's like really cute and I like him a lot. I like his little skull face and his little ribs, and he's kind of adorable. Our family-friendly, loving Pikachu. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video, and if you want to see more stuff, then feel free to subscribe. I also have a website and a Patreon if you want to check those out, but otherwise I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.